In this video, I'll walk you through the intricacies of executing the 4-move checkmate, often referred to as the scholar's mate. And that's not all. I have an intriguing chess puzzle in store for all of you. So make sure you stay tuned until the end for the full experience. This swift checkmating sequence commences with the pawn move e4, liberating both your queen and bishop for potential maneuvers. These two pieces are vital components in achieving checkmate. Frequently, your opponent, controlling the black pieces, responds with e5, which is a natural move. In response, you'll proceed with the strategic bishop move to c4. This move presents a direct threat to the f7 pawn. Subsequently, it's common for black to develop their knight to c6. At this juncture, a pivotal move is at your disposal. Queen f3 is one possible option. This move tactically targets the f7 pawn, intensifying the pressure. Alternatively, I recommend Queen h5, a move that not only places the f7 pawn under duress, but also applies pressure to the e5 pawn. In this context, the e5 pawn is shielded by the knights, meaning capturing it might not be your immediate focus. However, in certain scenarios where black fails to deploy the knight to c6, you can indeed capture the pawn. In any case, your overarching goal remains consistent, launching a joint assault on the f7 square using both the bishop and the queen. Beware that some black players might react by bringing their knight out to target your queen. This can be perilous, as it exposes a vulnerability in their defense. When black plays this move, you can execute the decisive move, capturing the f7 pawn. This results in checkmate, and black cannot recapture due to the defense provided by your bishop on c4. It's essential to exercise caution when considering this strategy. While achieving a checkmate in just 4 moves might be tantalizing, it's worth noting that proficient chess players, especially strong ones, tend to steer clear of this opening. This is primarily because if black understands how to thwart this quick checkmating attempt, you could find yourself in a compromised position. When facing opponents who are familiar with countering this opening, your position might deteriorate. Thus, it's advisable to be mindful of this possibility. Should you choose to experiment with this strategy, keep in mind that your success might vary depending on your opponent's experience and familiarity with this tactic. For those intrigued by learning how to counter the 4-move checkmate and discovering how black can defend against it, I've included a link either above or in the description below, which leads to another video. This video will equip you with insights into effectively preventing the 4-move checkmate. Now, it's time for a puzzle. In the given position, it's white's turn, and you need to find the best move for white. Share your answers in the comments, and let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Take a moment to check out the other videos appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and peace.